Welcome to another EverSky Developer Diary. This week I want to just quickly show you some of the AI code that's been being worked on recently. And the first part is that I just wanted to show you the navigation mesh working again. So navigation meshes are a way of the AI characters to move around the world. And because the world is procedurally generated, we need to make sure that the AI navigation system is pretty sound. So there's still some work in that area to be done, but basically you can see that the navigation meshes do generate right now. The next part I wanted to show you was some work on a character called Floyd, and now I'm just using this soldier as a placeholder. But basically when you control characters, you basically look at them and right mouse button, and then you can right mouse button over objects, and the characters, if they know how to play or interact with that object, they will go and do something with it. So in this case I'm telling the character to go and mine a bit of a crystal for crystal fragments, and those fragments will go into his inventory. But if I then mouse over the character again and tell him to go and use the blue container, what he'll do is he'll decide that that blue container is the thing that stores objects for me, so he'll go and store anything that he mines in batches into that container when his inventory is full. So that's kind of where we've been going, really, to try and get the characters started and getting some of this stuff. But I also spent some time playing with a thing called trilinear texture mapping. And that is a way of making the land chunks, because the land chunks are procedurally generated, or at least most of them will. I wanted a way of texturing the objects without having to do a lot of manual work, so trilinear texturing takes care of some of that. And there's still a bit of work to be done on that system, but it certainly works as per intention. And the next part really is stuff that Dan's been doing in terms of this is a time-lapse concept piece for one of the trade outposts. So when you start the game, you'll actually be starting at one of these kind of desolate fragments, and you'll be doing some early kind of trade and early mining and those kind of things, so just to get you up to speed with how all of these kind of mechanics work. And I wanted to show you the some of this kind of early concept art, just so that you get a feel for what these kind of things will be. And this is the sort of trade outpost where you'll do a lot of your initial trading when you've mined things and gathered things from the world. So that's it for this week, and hopefully you'll get in touch if you want to zoom up on Twitter, or myflock.com as the website, and you can leave us a comment there. Thanks a lot, guys.